Hi and welcome to Beach Bumbling. Today we're going to take you to this tiny little beach town called Yelapa. If you haven't heard of it, don't worry. We hadn't either till a couple years ago. We saw some videos, decided that we wanted to put it on our bucket list. So if you want a place that's not near as busy as Puerto Vallarta, whether you're just looking for a slower change of pace, or if you're there on a cruise ship and that's one of the options they give you for your day trips, you're definitely going to want to check this place out, I think. So stay tuned and we'll show you what this little piece of paradise has to offer. Let's go! We stayed overnight here in Yelapa in an Airbnb because we wanted to get more of just a day trip experience from it. And I can tell you right now from this, we will go back some point and spend more time there. Another thing, if you're on a cruise ship and one of your ports is Puerto Vallarta, they're going to give you a bunch of different things you can do for the day. They'll give you some excursion options. This is one of them. On the boat taxi ride over, you're going to see a lot of little beaches on the side. You can take boat trips during the day and actually go just beach hopping if you want to. This is our boat taxi pulling into the dock at Yelapa Beach. You can get off at the left or right hand side looking straight at Yelapa. The one on the left will take you to the beach clubs and the main beach, and the one on the right here will take you into town. The cost is the same to get off on either of them. You just tell them which one you want to get off on. Time to find our Airbnb, and one thing that we absolutely loved about this place was the directions that we got from the owners were basically like a scavenger hunt. So for today's video, we're going to walk around Yelapa on our way to our Airbnb. Just want to give you an idea of what the town's kind of like, what the vibe's like there. And then in the future videos, we'll be going down to the beach, picking a beach club, getting something to eat, sharing the cost with all that. We got a lot of stuff coming up from this little town just from a little stop, so we hope you enjoy it. And if you want to support the channel, give the video a like, subscribe if you haven't already, leave a comment, or if you have any questions, get a hold of us on our social media. All that's really appreciated. Something you won't see in Yelapa are cars and trucks. You will see a lot of ATVs though, and a lot of horses. If you want to go to the beach and have mobility issues, I suggest you flag down an ATV and have them take you there. There are a lot of inclines and declines in Yelapa when you're walking from end to end. Just for a point of reference, this is the normal size of a road there. Look out. I'm not kidding about that, eh?
What?
I'm not kidding about this traffic. The ATV traffic. The population of Yelapa is just under 1,000 people. And would you believe it didn't have electricity until 2001, even though it's part of the mainland? You got mountains on one side with jungle, you got water on the other. It kind of looks like a town that time forgot a while ago. But something about it just works. That's Las Flores. I feel like I'm in Huatulco again. Watch, walking up all those steps. Let's keep the oceans plastic free. Yeah, that's why they're putting them there. It's neat. That's only a problem if you fall through it. I think we made a huge mistake. Maybe should have got an ATV. Hey, dogger. The more we walked around this town, the more we were charmed by it. A lot of rock walls. The tile work on some of the stairs here is just absolutely amazing. There's just art everywhere you look. I say that every place we go in Mexico, this was no exception. Like, look at this tile to the right. And this goes on for a while. Very cool. Hola. Definitely is a slower pace here. Like I said, if you're looking to escape Puerto Vallarta and the busyness of it all, this is an awesome option. Lots of little stores around. You get snacks, lots of different snacks. There's lots of places you can buy fruit too.
Oh, that's beautiful, eh?
And again, more art. Probably do a video just on the art that we saw walking through the town because there's so much of it, especially for how small it is.
Frida Yelapa. We gotta be getting close, eh?
Yep.
Come on. Acid juice guy. No? I think the waterfall's going to be running today. Are we in the right spot? Okay. Certainly. Essa internet tonight. Watch the ants. Holy shit. Is it blue?
You probably ask yourself, why the hell is that guy grunting all the time? Well, I got a bad knee in this series, so anytime I put any stress on it or made any weird moves, it was bothering me. This was starting to look pretty remote. You couldn't even get an ATV up this path, so we kind of figured we'd gone wrong somewhere.
Give me the pictures.
A few moments later.
Here's the last one I tried.
There was an outdoor place to sit and check out the tile work right here on the patio. Got an outdoor shower, so that's pretty cool. It's our upstairs balcony.
I don't really see the water much. Oh, there it is over there.
On the upper patio, we had a nice little area to sit with plants and stuff, jungle all around. All right, after a long walk and a couple wrong turns, we finally made it to the Airbnb. So we're gonna take you a walk through it. You're gonna see what we see. Oh, cool. Full-size fridge isn't something you get all the time in Mexico. That's pretty cool. 6-burner stove. All the plates and everything you would need for a meal. You got some hot sauce down there. Looked like they knew I was coming. What else we got? Blender. Coffee. This is your view out the kitchen window. Dish rack, things like that. What else we got? I don't know what that is. That's probably should be in there. Is that passion fruit? I think that's passion fruit. I don't know why that would be in there. Anyway, yeah, like I said, you got a hammock in here. Ceiling fan. This place is air conditioned. Thank goodness, because I'm sweating. I'm sweating a lot. Second floor. Wow. Nice big futon to sleep on, or to sit on. Nice bed. Shelves, couple chairs, another fan. Ceiling fan. Here's the bathroom. It's hard to see that, but main shower. laundry hamper. Yeah, it's pretty nice. What did we pay for this, babe?
And all in,
Yeah.
126 Canadian.
And that was one of the cheaper options we could find, right? For like a one-night stay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If we would stay for 5, that would have been
Much cheaper. Anyway, this is nice. We got a little balcony outside here. This is untiny, but it's there. And yeah, if you kind of squint through the trees a bit, you will see the water. So we'll be heading down to the beach shortly. We haven't had much to eat today, and it's cocktail time. So talk to you later. Speaking of cocktails, that sounds pretty good. So we'll end it here for the day. Next week, we're going to take you down to the beach with us. We're going to go to a beach club, get something to eat, play with some dogs, meet some new people, go for supper, check out the town a little bit more. So thanks for joining us for this walking tour of Yelapa today. We got lots of food coming up. We're going to walk to a waterfall, one of two. My knee wasn't good enough to walk to one that was far away, but we'll take you to the one that's in town. If you made it this far, we must have done something right. So if you liked the video, please give it a like below. That helps support our channel. There's a lot more coming up from Yelapa. Until the next time, cheers.